to assemble. Destroyer. You're doing really great. It's time to fuel. Destroyer. Hooray! Let's destroy dilapidated constructions. Garbage truck. Amazing. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Lever down to lower it. Hooray! Let's remove trash. Assemble. Bulldozer. Done. It's time to fuel. Bulldozer. Ready. We will prepare the site and dig a pit. Dumper. Done. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Drag the part to the right place. Hooray! Make a gravel pad and waterproofing. Drag the part to the right place. Amazing! It's time to fuel. Pipe layer. Keep up the good work. Let's put in reinforcements and communications. First, we need to assemble concrete pump. Hooray! Help the car reach its destination. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on a suitable tool. Keep up the good work. Pour concrete for a foundation. Assemble drop side truck. Ready. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. That's all. Let's build the first floor. We have to assemble drop side truck. Keep it up. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Drag the part to its place. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Hooray! Let's build the second floor. to assemble. Lift crane. Hooray! It's time to fuel. Lift crane. Ready. We will make a roof. Tap the screen to keep building. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. That's all. Install the doors and windows. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Hooray! Weatherproof walls. First, we need to assemble. Bucket lift. You're doing really great. Help the car reach its destination. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Amazing! Paint our house. First, we need to assemble. Mini loader. Done! It's time to fuel. Mini loader. We did it! explore the yard. We need to assemble drop side truck. Ready. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. That's all. Plant greenery and flowers. The wonderful house with the garage is complete. Way to go! Hooray!